Hey guys, it's James with Beard Wisely. I'm pretty excited because today we're going to talk about this month's Man Bundle box. Just got it in the mail today. So, for anybody that doesn't know about the box, let me talk a little bit about their website. So what you do is you look for Man Bundle box. And just to tell you a little bit about it, it's a subscription box. So each month you'll get a subscription with approximately about 5 items in it that are all beard associated items. And it says on their website that Man Bundle is a subscription box for beards. Each month we ship you all the tools you need to keep your beard clean, styled, and comfortable. So straight out of the gate, they're telling you what they're about. They're about keeping you in supply with the things that you need to keep your beard comfortable and styled. So they're a beard care products place. It says also that they share a passion for beard grooming with their products and partners. And they only source high quality products from local companies with strong reputations. So they're saying that whatever you get each month in one of these boxes, they're telling you that it's going to be a quality product. Chances are it's going to be maybe a smaller up and coming business, and I kind of think that's pretty cool because it gives not only the person who subscribes to the box a chance to try some different products, but it also gets the people who are trying to build up a business from the ground up a chance to get their products out there to the consumer in hopes that they like them and decide to start to make a purchase. That being said, how much is it going to cost you to get one of these boxes? Well, they got, I think it's 3 tiers. So the first tier, you'd pay $34.99, I believe it is, for a box. And they ship you a box out each month at a certain date, and then they'll take that money out of your account. The second tier would be that you pay for 3 months up front, and they give you a little bit of a discount. And then the next tier is you pay for 6 months up front, and they give you a little bit more of a discount. So that's pretty cool. If you're looking for a discount, you want to pay for a little bit more up front, kind of lock yourself into a 3 or a 6 month obligation, then go ahead and pay up front. That's pretty cool. I decided to do the month at a time, and this is my first box, so I'm excited to check it out. Let's see what's inside. So first, I open it up, and it's packed pretty nice. It's got some of that nice little black grass in there to help make it look good and keep everything kind of protected. So I dig around at first, and the first thing that I see on top is this little brush. Looks like we got a beard brush here. Maine by Maya. Little palm brush. Something for when you're in the shower. So that's pretty cool. It's got a pretty good smell to it from being in the box. Let's see what else we got. As I dig around through this grass, get that out of here. So next I see this bar of soap. Pretty nice looking soap. And it says it's from the Immaculate Beard Co. So this is a beard soap, beard wash bar. Dusk is what it's called, and it's a mix of sandalwood and vanilla. Has a little Go Texan down here. Makes me wonder if this might have been made or packaged in Texas. It smells pretty good. I mean, granted, I'm trying to smell it through the package here, but I'd say the vanilla is a little bit more mild, but definitely, oh, it smells good. This smells good. This is a good smelling soap. You can smell both the sandalwood and the vanilla both. They blend well. It's not super strong. It's mild. This I'm excited to try in my beard and see how it goes. What does it say is in it? It says the ingredients: sorbitol, propylene glycol, sodium lauryl sulfate, stearic acid, lauric acid, water, sodium hydroxide, coconut oil, argan oil, shea butter, silk ammonium acids, honey, bamboo extract, sunflower extract, aloe leaf extract, carrageenan extract, marshmallow root extract, fragrance activated charcoal. So actually, there's some things in here that maybe I don't necessarily like so much, but I might try it anyway. But yeah, the Immaculate Beard, and it's a beard wash bar. So that's pretty cool. That's item number 2. What is item number 3? A stash wax, ludicrous hold, man beard stash. I believe that's what it says. Let's see how it smells. Not bad. This is definitely more of a cologne-y scent. It has more of that cologne smell to it. It says, grab that stash by the handlebars with your ludicrous hold wax, designed to be damn near Texas proof. So I'm seeing a bit of a theme here. So this also, I believe, Texas company. So it smells pretty good. I'm having a hard time describing to you what I think it smells like. It's just a cologne. You know, it's a mild, real light cologne. So I don't really use mustache wax, but if I was gonna have that in directly up under my nose, I think I definitely want it to be more of a mild one like this. So this I'm curious about. It says number 13, and this is just a little sample bottle, a little dram bottle it looks like, and it's scullygrooming.com. scullygrooming.com. So even though it's a little sample bottle, I like what they got going on here. They got this wax seal on the back, and I always like that little wax seal on the back. It just adds a little something to a package that just makes it, I don't know, it feels that much more intimate, I guess, as a purchaser. I like that. Let's see what's in it. Get in this thing. I got this, I try not to break these. I don't know why. I like to try to keep them intact. So it says that it's the ultimate masculine mix of amber, spices, cherry, and clove. A strong woody tobacco blend and some eucalyptus. Let's check it out. If I can get in there. Oh, it's a fighting bottle, it is. There we go. Okay. You know, that's one of the things I don't really like about these little tiny bottles is how they just fit in there so tight and they're a pain to get off. Initial thought. Can't really get a good smell on it. It's not strong, that's for sure. Let me get a little on me. It's not bad actually, and believe it or not, I guess maybe a little cherry. I smell a little cherry in there, but I'm actually picking up a coconut vibe. for some reason. So I don't know. Maybe my senses are off today. I don't. But I'm definitely picking up more of a coconut, kind of a cream pie. That's odd because of the description. It's more. It smells like coconut cream pie when I get it between my fingers. That's pretty cool, actually. I'll have to look more into that one. So, here's the last item in the box. And it's Soprano Labs out of New York. And the scent is Rainforest. And it's pretty cool. 1 ounce bottle. This is a full-size bottle. I don't know if they do this every month or not, but I mean, it's a nice bottle. Amber bottle. Let's see how it smells. You know, I know it says Rainforest, but I still get a little bit of that piney. This smells a little piney and a little minty. Let me give it another quick. And I guess, yeah, you can pick up on the eucalyptus in it, for sure. So I'd say you can pick up on the eucalyptus, and it's piney and a little minty. It's not strong, it's mild. Let me put a couple drops on my finger and see how it feels. Kind of thin. Feels thin. And as I smell it, I'm still not sure if that's what a rainforest smells like, but I mean, it smells good, don't get me wrong. But I'm picking up definitely the eucalyptus. I guess that's where they get the idea for the rainforest, but it's got this pine needle-ish, blue spruce-ish kind of smell to it. So cool though. It's definitely something. That's one of the things. By getting this box, you get a chance to be exposed to new companies or companies that you otherwise maybe not would have checked out. So it's pretty exciting. This month's Man Bundle box, I think I'll give it at least another month or two and see how it goes and see what kind of items I get. But there's definitely a couple in here this time that I'm excited to check out. If you guys got an extra 35 bucks or so a month to throw out there, get exposed to some new companies, try some new products, I recommend checking out their website. It's pretty cool that every month you can just have a little box show up in the mail with about 5 items in it, and you can test them out, find out if you like them. And if you like them, then you know some new companies that you might like. And if you don't like them, then you know to stay away. Guys, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Till next time.